Today we're building the Trade Federation Troop Carrier, which is a gift was purchased for the May 4th. Please. I hate when they do this to instruction.
Oh.
It always refuses to stay open. That doesn't work. I guess that does work. The set has 3 bags and 262 pieces. This is bag 1 complete. This is the build so far. And these are the 2 minifigures that are in bag 1.
They're so cute.
Of course. Are you saying that just because they're a droid, or?
Yep.
This is bag 2. It has a 25-year anniversary plaque, 2 battle droid pilots, 6 B-1 battle droids, and 6 blasters right next to them. And this slides out.